How to repost Instagram Reels. In order to do that, just head over to the reel that you want to repost. I want to repost this one, so I'll head over and click on this. Now, in here you have two options. You can click on the share icon right here, and the first repost that you can do is you can head over and add this to your story. So head over and click on this add the story right here in order to add this particular reel into your story. Now, as you can see, this will load, and as you can see, this will be reposted to your story through that method. The second method that you can do is you can head over and then duet it. You can click on these three dots right here, and then from in there, click on this remix option. So head over and click on this remix. And then as you can see, this will load the reel for you. So you can wait for this to actually load. And then once it's loaded, you should be able to remix this particular reel right here. So you can head over and click on next for this one. You can also add a sticker in order to make this possible. So let's head over and add in here a sticker, and then click on next, and you should be able to repost this particular reel to your profile. So that's how you repost Instagram Reel. Hope we helped.